Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I want to show you step by step how to install the latest version of MongoDB on Windows 11 machine. And later we'll also see how to install MongoDB Shell on Windows 11 machine. Alright, so let's get started. So open the browser. So here I have opened Chrome browser. You can use any browser. In a new tab, just type MongoDB download and hit enter. Next go ahead and click on this link. It will navigate to the official website of MongoDB community server download page. So this MongoDB community server is absolutely free, so we can use it. Just scroll down and here you can see the current version of MongoDB, that is 8.0.3. This is the current version of MongoDB, and here we are using the platform Windows 11 64-bit. So let us keep this platform as it is and let us select the package MSI. Okay, next go ahead and click on this download button to download this MSI file. So here you can see the downloading is started. Just wait a couple of seconds to complete the download. You can see the MSI file, it is 717 MB. It's a huge file. So let us wait a couple of minutes to complete the download. Well, notice here MongoDB Windows MSI file is successfully downloaded. Next open this file in a folder and let us go ahead and double click on this MSI file and let me minimize this. Next you can see welcome to the MongoDB setup wizard. Next go ahead and click on next button and here let's go ahead and accept the license. Just tick mark this, click on next. Next here we need to choose the setup type. Well, we are going to install the complete setup. For that we are going to click on this complete button. Before that, here you can see the MongoDB shell must be installed separately for Windows installations. Well, this MongoDB server won't come with MongoDB shell. We have to install MongoDB shell separately. That we will see a bit later. Okay, so just click on this complete and here you can see install MongoDB as a service. So just keep as it is and run server as a network service user. So whenever you start the Windows machine, then automatically this MongoDB will start as a service. Next let us keep all these default information as it is and here you can see data directory. So all the data will be kept under this directory and all the logs will be stored under this directory. Okay, next click on next button. Next install MongoDB Compass. Well, MongoDB Compass is a official graphical user interface for MongoDB server. If you want to access the MongoDB server using user interface, then you can go ahead and use MongoDB Compass. Okay, so we are going to use MongoDB shell to access the MongoDB. So here we are going to just untick this, install MongoDB Compass. But if you prefer using user interface, then you can install MongoDB Compass. Okay, next click on the next and go ahead and click on this install button. So installation is begin. I notice here the MongoDB server is successfully installed. Next go ahead and click on the finish button. Next go to the C drive and go to the program files and here you can see MongoDB folder. Go inside and here you can see server. Just double click on it and here you can see the version and this is the bin folder. Next copy this bin path and go to the search bar and just search for environment and go ahead and click on this edit the system environment variables and just click on environment variables and go to system variables section. Here select the path, click on edit and click on new button and just paste it. Okay, next click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Next let us open the command prompt. In a search bar just type cmd and here just select command prompt and here just type the command mongod -- version to check the MongoDB installation and here you can see MongoDB version 8.0.3. It means we have successfully installed MongoDB server on Windows 11 machine. Next let us go ahead and let us install MongoDB shell as well. So go to the browser and here in a new tab just search for MongoDB shell download and hit enter and go ahead and click on the first link, MongoDB shell download. This will head over to the official website download page and just scroll down and here you can see the MongoDB shell version. So this is the latest version and Windows platform and zip file. So here let us select MSI and go ahead and click on download button. So this will download the MongoDB Shell MSI file, and you can see it is around 45 MB size. So just wait a second to complete the download. Alright, the download is completed. Just open this file in a folder and just double click on this MSI file, and here let me minimize this, and here welcome to MongoDB Shell setup wizard. Next, click on next button, and this is the location where the MongoDB Shell will install. If you want to change the location, you can use this change button, and it says install just for you. Yes, so just keep selected as it is. Click on next button, and here just click on install button to begin the installation. And there we go, completed the MongoDB Shell setup wizard. Next, click on finish button. Next, in order to use MongoDB Shell, open the command prompt. So in a search bar just type cmd and open the command prompt over here. And here, in order to use the MongoDB Shell, just type the command mongo sh, hit enter. Now we are in a MongoDB Shell. Next, in order to see all the databases in MongoDB server, just type the command show dbs, and here you can see there are 3 databases. Next, in order to create a new database, just type the command use followed by the database name ramdb, and look at here, the database is switched to ramdb. So if database is not exist, then MongoDB server will create a new database. Now here you can see ramdb, we have switched from test database to ramdb. Okay, next within this database let us create one collection. So here just type the command db.create collection, and then pass the collection name, let us say employees, and hit enter. And here you can see employees collection is successfully created inside ramdb. Okay, so this is how you can use MongoDB Shell to trigger the command with respect to MongoDB server. Alright, well, let me recap what we have done in this video. We have downloaded the latest version of MongoDB server from the official website, and we have installed the same on a Windows 11. Next, we have also installed the MongoDB Shell on Windows 11 machine, and then finally we used MongoDB Shell to interact with the MongoDB server. Alright, great. I will see you in the next video.